Look,
and I'm kind of stand back there.
I told that chick, I was like, get out of my car, okay? You don't even own my car. This is my Benz. And she just laid one on me, and I was like, I don't know you. Get out of my face. It was just nasty. So, you like operating a boom? Just saying. Hello. Whew. Anyways. I hate this kid show crap. Well, anyways. So, I bet that mad cow disease. Woo! It's crazy. Hope I don't get it. That is so itchy. Look. So, what's the theme of the show again?
Friendship.
Wow. Isn't that magical?
Hi, kids! Welcome to the show! I'm Darby the Dog. You want to have some friendly fun today? Well, come out and join me. Come on and join me.
Okay, where's the stupid kid?
Well, come out and join me.
Are you serious?
Today is Friend Day. Do you want to be my friend?
Oh! You little jerk! You wanna go outside? You wanna go? I think you're a stupid ogre.
So our theme today is friendship. Do you want to be my friend?
What the?
Well, gosh, I'm glad we're friends now. Friends give high fives. You want to give me a high five? Well, gosh, thank you for...
You know, I can't do this. I quit. I can't handle this. And you're freaking nature. Ugh.